Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Bee Swarm and I'm gonna be trying to get the petal belt for this video. But right now, I'm gonna go harvest my partners. So we've got Taki partner here. I actually got something. Go for a second. Right, so now I'm gonna go look for my other partners. But I'm on the final quest over here to get the last petal, and I've been working on it. All I need to do is the Windy Bee tokens, and I can donate to the Wind Shrine right now. Let's just kill the wolf first. Also, earlier I got a gold egg from Macoing, and I donated to the sticker print, I think it's called. And I got a honeybee bear sticker, and I put that in my stack. But yeah, we're gonna go donate to the Wind Shrine now, and hope that I get a windy bee. So let's see. Who should I donate? Actually, I want to look at the requirements for the petal belt first, because I haven't seen them yet. All I know is that I need a petal and some star jewels. Actually, this might be pretty easy. So I have the honey. That was easy to get. I have the glues. I have the glitters. How many star jellies do I have? So I have 12 star jellies, right? So I need 13 more. So I can craft 13 already. So the star jellies is done. It's just a petal. It's gonna be easy. Right. So let's go donate to the Wind Shrine. Well, I looked at that for because if I need glitter and glue, I don't really want to be donating glue or star jellies, but I probably wouldn't donate that anyways. Let's see what I could donate. Let's donate tropical drinks. Let's do 5. Hopefully I get a windy bee. Oh, I didn't get it. Well, I'm going to let's spend some honey on treats. So since I've almost basically 20 billion, let's do 3. Let's do 3. And we'll go. It's around like I think like a billion per level. Most of my hives level 11 now. There's just a few, like I think Cool Bee, Bomber Bee, Bucklebee, Rascal, Demo. I think that's it actually. So I might be able to get it now. And then I'm just gonna macro because I'm going out. When I get back, we'll donate to the Wind Shrine again and hope that we get a windy bee. Then I'll probably just go and beg in servers to get one. That might be it. Oh no, Cool Bee and Bomber Bee down here. I've completely forgot. Cool Bee. Maybe I can get one more. But move, Vicious Bee. Oh my god. There we go. Full level 11 hive. But there is one problem. I have like a regular bomber bee up here that I need to get rid of. Also, my honeybee leveled up to level 12 yesterday, but yeah. Hi guys, I just got back and I was macroing. I macroed for like 4 hours. See, 3 gingerbread birds. That's pretty good actually. I even got ×5 world clock. But let's go donate to the Wind Shrine now. Let's hope we get a windy bee. Otherwise, that's gonna be annoying. Please just give us a windy bee. You know, I'm just gonna actually donate something that another chance. It's only 5 boys. Oh, let's go! Let's go! Finally, man.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony, until one day a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
Did I get any star jellies? Let's see what I got. I did not get any star jellies, and somehow I got a flippin' rascal beard, bro. But I literally so useless. I'm gonna go see how many star jellies I can grab, because I can't be bothered waiting this long to get fucking 25 star jellies. Oh, Blue Clay's finished. Let's see. Terrible loot, but I really don't care. Oh, there's a magic bean on that, bro. How many can I make? I can make 13. So if I do that, how many goodies do I have now? I mean, sure I have only 50, right? Right, yeah, and yeah, okay, I'm chill. Alright, well, while that's crafting, all I need to do is finish this flipping quest, bro. Right, well, I think I'm gonna spend more on treats, because actually, I looked back through the, the recording, and actually saw. Oh, I just spent too much on accident. You know, it's fine.
God.
I'll get it back before an hour, surely. Because I'm probably just gonna macro again, and then after an hour, I'll go back and, you know, and shit. But yeah, I missed this gifted bomber bee right here. I didn't realize, so let's go ahead. Oh, I've got so much fruits now. I spent all my strawberries yesterday and I had 5,000 trying to flipping level up these spices, because before I made this, I recently bought the mythic egg in this pack, and I used it hoping to get a fuzzy or tadpole or precise. I got another spicy, and you know, I want to go blue because it's cheaper. So actually, let's convert while I'm doing this. But yeah, so I tried to gift one of them with the strawberries. I didn't get any luck. I did 1,000 at a time. But yeah, so Star Joy is complete. It's literally just the petal. That's all I need. Obviously the honey, but that's already easy. So let's level up the bomber bee, and we're gonna start leveling up my event bees to level 12. So can I get? I'm sure I can get. Yeah, gifted vicious. Level 12. Probably one more, right? Gifted tabby. Yeah, that'll be it. Just can't get baby, can I? No. Alright. Turns out it's like 2 billion per level now, which honestly isn't that expensive. Anyways, I just finished macroing. It's been like an hour, but oh, lag. Yeah, but it's been like an hour. Usually I like get it to bug macro before like I get honey in quest, so that's why I only got like 100 million or something. I don't know. But it's time to donate again, and I think I'm gonna do 5 glues again because last time got me a windy bee. Please give me windy bee. Oh, I didn't get it. So we just came back from macroing after a bit, and I think I got like 200 million. Oh no, only like 100 million, I think. So let's go see if we can donate. Yep. Oh please, I beg, gives us something good. Yo, let's see if I've got it. Are you flipping serious right now? Oh. Time for more begging, bro. I swear to God. If you don't summon Windy Idiot, you like men. I swear to God, someone better summon him, bro. Otherwise, I'm about to crash out, bro. Is this kid macroing? That's crazy. Nah, bro's club is called Orphan. Oh, it's whatever, I'm gonna go back to macroing. Right, so it's the next day, and I was macroing for like an hour last night. I got the honey back, and we're gonna do another attempt to get someone in the windy bee. So
many frame building attempts later.
also, I was supposed to tell you guys this earlier, but like I summoned a windy bee, but turns out there was a hacker in my server, and when I went over to go kill him, I was like really excited. He kind of like kicked me out of the server. When I loaded back in, it wasn't there.
Many frame building attempts later.
It's that time again. I swear to God, it better give me it. Oh please. Hey, hang on. Is there already a windy bee here? Yo, there's a windy bee!
Like a phoenix, you burn.
like it's time to donate again. Oh, I swear to God. Please just give me in, bro. I'm exactly like 1 off now, bro. There's still a windy bee? I don't hear one. I don't see one either. Let's go double check. No, it's because he was flying away. Oh, please just give me one. Please, 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 please. Alright, what should I donate? Let's see. Let's do equator. I flippin' hate this game. This game sucks. Oh! It's that time again. It's time to donate. Oh God! Actually, better give me this time, bro. How many goods do I have? I've been using so many. I thought I said 3,000 snowflakes for a second. I was about to freak out. Oh yeah, I've gone past it. 167 goals, I'm fine. Oh, please. Let's do 10 for safe measure. Oh my God! Bruh. I mean, actually, I got a lot of honey that I'm probably gonna spend right now. Let's go check the gingerbread house as well. 5 gingerbreads, let's go. Let's go 3 billion. I'm gonna ask this guy first. I hope this guy summons him for me. Probably won't. He just said dot dot dot. Oh wait, he said hold on. Oh, I'm waiting. Let's go do this. Oh, we got all these pros, bro. Treats. I do Babby. And then I can do like one more. Photon B. Yeah. This guy's stacked. Look at this. Wow, that's such a good sticker design. Did he get him? I think he got the windy bee. There's just so many cards everywhere because I got cards and he got. And some other person got cards. That's not one of them. Oh, I gotta find it first. Or someone else finds it. Come on, come on. Where's the windy bee? It's none of them. Someone else donated? Oh, then I got cards, but it's not cards. That's not help. There's even more flipping cards. Where is it? Might be a coconut over there. Come on, come on, come on. Go. Oh, come on. It's here, it's here. Right, so you guys probably didn't see this because my recording stopped working, but I ended up getting the pedal belt, and it's actually already doing really good because I've got like 700 million already. And basically, I just bought the pedal belt, and yeah, that's kind of it, to be honest. You guys just didn't see it because my recording stopped working, so yeah. See you guys later. I hope you enjoyed the video. On today's grind, we got the pedal belt. We finally got it after so long. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.